Hey guys, I'm here at the cabin with the Fummins. I'm going to do a cold start. It's been sitting all night. I think it's in the upper 20s. It's sat all night. We got a little bit of snow, which is surprising for this late in the season. This is probably the last of it. The truck doesn't have a grid heater. It obviously hasn't been plugged in. Its timing is turned up, but more importantly, it has a small air leak from the overflow valve. I need to replace that. So it's gonna do a pretty good hard start and then probably die and then start again. So we'll see what it does. A grid heater, so it'll start pretty well. But that's probably the last real cold start of the season. I'm leaving it at the cabin for a few weeks. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe.